Copy editing and proofreading in the book publishing process take time and money. You'll want to interview several professional editors and read some of their work. A great editor will have years of experience, a large portfolio, and possibly a master's degree in English Lit. Print on demand is your friend. Forget warehousing stockpiles of books in your garage, hoping they don't weather too much before your big book signing. POD books ship directly to the customer, so you don't even need to package them or visit the post office. Naturally, being an Amazon bestseller is a lucrative marketing tool. Amazon rankings update hourly and can be elusive to clinch, but when you hit the mark just once, the brand value is forever unending.